Hi guys, how are you today? This is Linda Green with doTERRA Essential Oils, and we're going to make another DIY roller bottle, and this one is for a memory boost. I don't know about you, but once in a while I'll be like, oh, what's that person's name? Or I forget what I'm doing because I'm so busy. My mind gets away from me. And sometimes I'm just having a struggle trying to recall something. So this is simple. These DIY recipes are easy, and if it can help even a little bit, I am all for it. So we're going to start with, I've got my cute little roller bottle right here. Going to use my little funnel. And the first thing we're going to use is rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is really good to help you, it supports your memory, it helps with focus and concentration and all those things that really help to maybe boost that memory a little bit. So 10 drops of rosemary. There's 10 drops of rosemary. And next, we're going to use 8 drops of peppermint. Peppermint is really good because it's stimulating. It helps give you some energy and helps to give you some alertness. That's the word. Yeah, there I go. It helps with that alertness. Another thing that peppermint is really good for is it's really good for recall. So like if you're studying for a test or something, you might want to be using doTERRA's peppermint either on your wrist, the back of your neck, or in a diffuser. And then when you take your test, use that oil again, put it on the back of your neck or on your wrist again or something like that, because it will help recall. So that's really good. But I love the fact that it is so helpful to stimulate your mind and give you that alertness when you're just feeling a little bit kind of like, oh boy, I can't do it. Anyway, 8 drops of peppermint. There you go. All right, oops, turn that around. Next, we're going to use frankincense, and it really helps support the brain health and helps with focus, really helps with focus. I love the smell of frankincense, and one of the things that we hear a lot in doTERRA is if you don't know what oil to use frankincense, because it's so good for so many things. So 6 drops of frank. There's that. Next, we're going to use lemon. Lemon really kind of uplifts your mood. You've maybe heard me talk about citrus oils before. They're just kind of happy oils, and it really kind of clears out the cobwebs in the brain. It kind of helps clear things up and clears your mind. So 5 drops of lemon. And lemon is so refreshing. It's just uplifting and refreshing. Next, we're going to use Copaiba, and this oil helps calm the nervous system, so then it enhances focus and clarity, those things that you need for your mind, for your brain. 5 drops. There's that. And that is all we need. Then we're going to top it off with the fractionated coconut oil. This helps all your oils to go a lot farther, and using coconut oil can actually help drive the oils in a little better anyway. So we're just going to fill this little bottle up right here. There's that. And we'll get our little roller top, and I'll just put that right on, if I can get it turned around. And you've seen me use my little handy dandy gizmo. Like I said before, I wish I could find some more of these, but I haven't seen them anywhere else. And the person that used to make them, I don't know who did it, so I don't know who made them. So let's just get that thing stuck on there really good and tight. And let me check that. Oh yeah, that's good. And I'm just gonna kind of swirl it around. You can smell that peppermint for sure. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And I didn't make labels this time. Anyway, this is a DIY roller bottle for memory boost. And I'm sure most of us can use this at one point or another. Sometimes I think, okay, what's causing me to kind of lose track. And a lot of times I think I have so many thoughts in my mind. I've got like 5 errands to run or this or that, so many things I need to do. And then I'm not really focusing on anything. And I think that really has a lot to do with struggling to remember things, is I'm just too scattered. So there's that. Anyway, DIY for memory boost. All right, you guys have a great day. And I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to, there's a link down below in the description where you can download my 10 tips to managing emotions with essential oils. So anyway, you have a fabulous day. Take care. Bye.